Morning, Burnsie.
Morning, Scotty. How you doing?
Good, good. So here we are on Van's 62 T-Bird, which is absolutely wonderful. We love the car. It definitely has some issues that we're addressing and taking care of. And Burnsie's got a lot of work to do. We're trying to figure out why the power steering was giving us such an issue. So as we get underneath it, this is what we find. A transmission line that's way too long and should be tucked up like it's supposed to be. The other transmission line is ran up and over the stabilizer bar, under the power steering belt, so we can't get proper tension on it. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. So it's actually rubbing on the line. It's pushing on the radiator hose, lower. The radiator hose is also pushing on the stabilizer bar and on the fuel pump. You guys can see that okay. That's the first bit of issues that we found with it being up on the lift. So they did what appears to be an extension instead of just routing it properly. I don't understand this. Yep. So it runs up to a metal extension hose to route it on the rubber hose, which the rubber hose is also, as you can tell, it's rubbing a spot. And it's pretty good. It's pretty deep. So we've got to address that, shorten this hose, get that taken care of, tuck that up out of the way. We're probably going to have to make another transmission line.
For which one? This one?
For this one, yeah.
No.
And it's rubber hosed, so it's not a big deal. You know, we can make another one, route it down properly. We're good, great, not a problem. Yeah, so we're just double checking everything because we're going to be doing a transmission seal kit to get it all taken care of, start disassembling everything. And I'm just tracing lines and making sure everything's good. And I'm like, Burnsie, did you know about this? He's like, no, about what? And I'm like, well, if we look, we have a fuel line rubbing on an exhaust system. Also, rubbing on, I don't know if you guys can see that well, rubbing on the center link. He fell off his stool.
I was like trying to get out of your way.
So we're also hitting the center link. So it's rubbing here on the exhaust pipe.
Should have been on the other side against the...
And I think, there you go. If you guys can see it, it's leaking a little bit and we didn't realize it. I finally just rubbed a hole in the fuel line. So we've got to reroute, remake, rebend a fuel line to get that taken care of and get it shoved up where it belongs. Not like that. Fix the transmission lines that are way too low. Yeah, so we've got some work cut out for us today. But, oh God, I'm having issues too. I'm just going to sit on the floor. It's easier.
Okay.
Oh my God. So we'll get everything done or get as far as we can each day until it is done. And then we also have rear leaf springs that we got to put in, which, let's go show them the parts.
Yeah.
This way they can see what's going in. Okay, out from underneath the car. There we go. So we have fluids.
Those are strut rod bushings.
Get those taken care of.
So we got
Shackles.
all new. We got the pedestals.
Pedestals.
Is that what they call them?
Yep. The rubbers.
The bushings for the leaf springs.
Yep.
Because these are for the front.
Yep.
This is all for the back. New hardware. All fresh hardware. Looks so pretty. So that's all that.
And then new leaf springs that will go in. Oh, look, it's raining again. Yay. It is what it is. But it does smell nice at least. Oh, I love a good ring, right? So we've got this going on. And we'll keep you guys updated because I think you guys did the last video. You can see how bad those bushings are. They're just destroyed.
Look at the pedestal.
I mean, it just utterly destroyed. So, but we'll get everybody taken care of. We'll make everybody happy, get things right. So, yeah. All right, guys, we'll let you go. What do you say, Burnsie?
Till next time.